We are in the heart of the Mpumalanga province of South Africa. Very, very cold province. When I woke up this morning, my car had frosted over, and most of those aircraft that frosted over the windscreens were full of frost. I'm with the captain biker boy himself. An aviator also rides bikes. Francois, my brother.
Yeah, Captain.
Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you, Captain.
Take
thank
us
you,
through what's happening today.
Well, it was the EAA Convention Festival. It's mostly obviously it's EAA Experimental Aircraft Association, so it's mostly experimental aircraft. That doesn't mean that there were no certified aircraft who were here, but it was mostly a convention for experimental association.
I saw the Orion Club that side as well.
Yes,
quite very good aircraft.
Very beautiful aircraft. Yeah. So it was like a 3 days event, basically Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wonderful.
We arrived there yesterday. Aircraft yesterday wasn't really like that massive.
Yeah.
Because aircraft were just landing and stuff. And
Arrival
like
time.
Yes.
Okay.
And I arrived like around 12 after a 2-hour drive, 2-hour ride from Joburg to here. And then we camped here. And then this morning was really busy.
Yeah.
We woke up this morning. There was the young eagle.
Oh, the young eagles.
The
Yes.
young eagles were
Yeah.
here. And there was so many volunteer pilots who took those young eagles up in the sky.
Okay.
Give them the gift of flight. Get to introduce them to the beauty of aviation. It was really a lot of turnout, a lot of kids actually. It was really good turnout. And then later on during the day, we had the jets there.
Yeah.
The two.
I saw the L-39 over there. Yes. Former military. Yeah.
The other one, I'm not sure of the name of it, but it's called the Austin Eagle.
Yes.
It's painted with an eagle.
Yes. Yeah.
What is this? What they call it? Paint, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah. It was really good to see people fly. It was really awesome to also interact with the other pilots, get to know the different types of aircraft. And surprisingly, there are some aircraft that I saw today which I've actually never seen in my life.
Yeah.
It was a very good event. So it was like a pilot get along and get to know each other.
So aviators connecting, basically.
That's
and I saw
basically
camp tents, aviators camping here.
Popular names were here. We had Dale de Klerk, we had Carl Janssen, we had Kevin Hopper there.
And with Francois here.
You also have me, upcoming commercial pilot. And so, it was really good. It was just very awesome. I really loved it. We're obviously finishing tomorrow. Yeah. But everybody who was here, they really had a good time. It was just a good time to be away from home. Spend time with what you love most, aviation. As you can see there right now, they're inflating the balloon. Yeah. So I think this is the last one for the evening. Then we're going for dinner to eat right now. Yeah. So it was really good. Overall, it was a good time.
Wonderful. Captain, I remember last year we were here with Captain Sipo. Yes. And we had an episode on the runway over there. Taxiway actually.
Absolutely.
And it was freezing cold on that day. And that's why I'm drinking my coffee right now.
Yeah, no,
this super cold.
This province is actually very cold. I won't even lie to you. I was actually sleeping next to that little bush tree there.
So your tent was.
That thing was emitting a lot of wind at night. I didn't even sleep because when it's so cold you can't sleep.
Oh my goodness.
You can't focus. So it's so bad. It felt like I had frostbite or something like that. I went to sleep around 12:30, but I didn't even sleep.
For the love of aviation, Captain. For the love of
aviation. Fire. We started the fire until 12:30. We were trying as much as possible to run away from keep warm, to run away from sleeping. But eventually, by the time I went to sleep, it was terrible. I mean, the event is good, but the weather is not on our side. Yeah. But and then again, it's an open space. Yes. It's a.
I'm standing out here, Captain. I'm looking at the number of stars I can see in the night.
Exactly.
In Joburg, I don't see.
You don't see that exactly
because of light pollution.
Too much light pollution. But here you can actually see it. Everything like that. It was a very well organized event.
Wonderful. So we're gonna have the same thing next year.
We definitely hoping. I can't guarantee. I'm not the one who hosts the event.
Yes.
But the event was really
supposed to be done again next year.
I think it's gonna be done. Yeah. Possibly it's gonna be done next year because obviously the majority of the people here actually are also going to EAA. Yes. I mean, are going to Oshkosh in Wisconsin.
Oh, yes.
So maybe this is like one of the last events that they do before they.
They go to the US
before they go to the US.
Yeah. But me and you, we're gonna meet up again in Vanderbilt for the Aero Expo.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you, my Captain.
Captain, thank you so much.
Wonderful.
I'm going to eat right now.
Yes. Let's do that. The pilot must.
Absolutely.
Yes.